Shalum, man of Yasharal. Breathe deeply. Today, we align our hearts with Yahuwah's design for fatherhood and family. We stand as pillars in our households, reflecting His love, strength, and faithfulness. Speak each affirmation clearly from a place of purpose and conviction daily for 21 days to fortify your Ruah and lead your household in righteousness. One, I look to Yahuwah as my perfect father, and I learn from His example of love and correction. Two, I am called to lead my household with humility, service, and unwavering amunah. Three, my home is a dwelling place for the presence of Yahuwah, established on His truth and Shalum. Four, I provide not only materially, but also spiritually, guiding my family in the way they should go. Five, the generational curses are broken over my lineage. We walk in the Barak of covenant obedience. Six, I choose this day to honor my own father and mother, that my days may be long and Baruch. Seven, I am slow to anger and abounding in steadfast love, mirroring the heart of my father and Shamayim. 8, my wife and children are a heritage and reward from Yahuwah. I cherish and protect them sacrificially. 9, I will declare the works of Yahuwah to the next generation, ensuring His truth is not forgotten. 10, through me, Yahuwah establishes the Qadash seed, a family that serves Him and advances His kingdom. Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and continue to build your household upon the rock. Overcome the enemy's attacks on the family with steadfast amunah, day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.